Hi YouTube, UK Lockpicker back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be picking this Brady lock. It's got a 5-pin core and by the looks of it, it is interchangeable. The keyway is quite gnarly for a little lock. I think this is made by Abus, or at least I've got an Abus key. And the bitting looks like that. But if you bear with us one moment, I'll get this in the vise and we're going to see if we can get this one open. Right, so the lock is secured in the vise. I'll be using a rigid tension bar if I can get one in there. Might have to use a pry bar. It's just that small. I'm going to go in with, I think, a Wes Pearls pick. Let's just see what we've got. So on 1, springy, 2, springy, 3, can't count, binding, 4 binding, 5, nothing yet, 1, springy, 2, springy, 3, springy, 4, binding again, 5, springy. Come back to the beginning, check on 1, 2 is now binding, a click, 3, binding, a click, 5, springy, number 1, binding again, and he flies open. What a nice little lock and a cool little pick. Let's just see if we can take that core out. Can we? No, it looks like you can't. But as you can see, I didn't say that in the beginning. It is Abus lock. I don't know what the functionality of this lock would be for, because it is plastic unless it's for luggage. And it's even got a double bar locking mechanism. What a cool little lock. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave your likes and your comments. Everything is always much appreciated. And I'll see you on the next one.